Ex-Philippine finance official denounces cuts to the government's 2025 budget as the most corrupt in the country's history. But the Senate President believes there's a way to resolve the budget controversies. RG Cruz has tonight's top story.
A former Philippine finance official describes the government spending plan for next year the most corrupt in history. Economist Cielo Magno joined opposition to budget cuts for key government programs, calling it anti-Filipino. Magno also scored the 50 billion peso cut for the conditional cash transfer program and the 10 billion peso reduction for the education department's outlay for next year. For Magno, the 2025 budget prioritizes the interests of politicians and not the public.
So hindi lang po ilang ang problema ng 2025 budget. Ang problema natin na yung kabuuan ng budget at ano yung nasa kawan nito. At naniniwala po tayo na ito na po ata ang pinaka-corrupt na budget sa history ng Pilipinas.